Ever heard of pulse electromagnetic field therapy? I'm Dr. Barrett, I'm a plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills. There's actually a significant amount of evidence that shows that pulse electromagnetic fields can help heal fracture sites. And there's also some studies that says it helps heal soreness and joint pain. We use it in our patients to heal them after surgery. We put it underneath the mat, and when they sit down and they lie on it while we're taking out sutures and everything else, we give them a free 15-minute session where it helps kind of stimulate the healing process and decrease some of the inflammation in their body. If you think about how magnetic fields work, when you circulate blood through your body, your heart pumps, right? If you think that your heart pumps the blood all the way through by the hydrostatic forces of the heart alone, you're incorrect. When those blood vessels get very small, it's a magnetic field that actually transports those fluids and those nutrients to the capillary level. So our bodies are very in tune to magnetic fields around us, and using certain frequencies can actually help the body heal and distribute nutrients more efficiently.
PEMF, it's a fancy word, pulse electromagnetic fields. It's actually the Earth's heartbeat. So you can pull up an app on your phone and you can see it. The Earth's putting it out at 7.83 hertz, right? At about a half a Gauss. What we do know, and has been proven multiple times, is two things. The cells in your body have a voltage on like a car battery. And when that voltage gets low, you get sick. If you don't have a high enough voltage on your cells, you can't get nutrients into the cell and you can't get waste products out. So it has been shown to increase the voltage at the cell membrane, number one. Number two, ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It's the number one chemical that your cells use for food. And it's been shown many times to increase ATP up to 500%. So those two things at the highest level is it's increasing the voltage on the cells, it's recharging your cells' batteries, and it's creating more food for the cells so that your body can do what it does best, which is heal itself.
What are the things that you find your customers are buying this for, and what kind of stories can you tell us about that?
So there's a total of 130 different conditions that it can provide, in the FDA's words, relief from that condition, because we can't treat, diagnose, or cure anything, but we can provide relief. For instance, type 2 diabetics, treating, diagnosing, curing diabetes. But if we're reducing your insulin shots from 80 units a day to 10, you're not sticking yourself with the needle as much, and you're saving money. So it improves your life. Back pain, if it went from an 8 to a 2, we didn't get rid of your back pain completely, but it helped. So all of those different conditions, you can help improve them. And we have a really high success rate. It's not 100%, nothing is, but it's north of 90. So.
Okay, so it's your guys' first time using the P90 Plus. What is your guys' testimony?
It works. It really works for me. My shoulder pain is completely gone. I can move it. 8 years of suffering. 8 solid years of suffering every day and night. Oh, this is wonderful. I can move.
In 20 minutes, like I want my old wife's back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It makes me cry not to feel pain. Thank you.
Yeah, of course, guys.
It's like a miracle. We're firm believers in this machine.
And the price is reasonable when you think about it.
It's a small investment for the return you can get. Health-wise, it's cannot beat it.
It's really something.
I just want to show you really, really clearly how much this PEMF and terahertz machine has done for me. In January, I had a really bad flare-up, and in the middle of my flare-up, I asked my mom to take some videos of me getting from the front door down the stairs to my bedroom. I just watched them back today for the first time, and it was hard to watch. But the fact that I've gone from that level of pain and now being able to go bike riding with my kids, my life has truly changed.
Still tired, even after a full night's sleep. Struggling with pain that just won't go away. Doing everything right, but still not feeling like yourself. you're not alone. This video will introduce you to PEMF, a science-backed approach to restoring energy, supporting recovery, and helping your body work better. It's safe, non-invasive, and has been used in clinical settings for decades. Thanks to technological advances, today's PEMF devices provide state-of-the-art solutions once limited to large clinical machines. Some models also feature patented technology designed to deliver precise, effective electromagnetic pulses for optimal results. PEMF therapy began in mid-20th century medical research, particularly in Eastern Europe. Doctors and scientists discovered that pulsed magnetic fields could stimulate cellular repair, reduce inflammation, and promote bone growth. In the early 2000s, NASA built on this research to help astronauts recover from muscle atrophy and bone loss in space, where Earth's magnetic field is absent. When astronauts spend time in zero gravity, their bodies suffer. NASA discovered that pulsed electromagnetic fields help reverse this damage, restoring vitality, bone density, and muscle function. If it works for astronauts in space, imagine what it can do here on Earth. Originally, PEMF equipment was room-sized and required specialized clinical settings. Today's devices are smaller, more accessible, and easier to use at home. Every cell in your body holds a charge. When that charge is strong, your body heals, performs, and regulates itself more easily. But when stress, inflammation, or age lowers that charge, recovery slows, pain lingers, energy fades. PEMF helps recharge that energy gently and consistently. 5 grounding analogy. You've probably heard of grounding walking barefoot outdoors to absorb Earth's natural energy. PEMF is like a more targeted, amplified version of that. It delivers those same low-frequency signals directly to your body anytime, anywhere. It's like having the Earth's healing energy at your fingertips. PEMF sends a series of low-frequency pulses through the body. These waves improve circulation, enhance oxygen flow, support detox, and help reset your body's natural rhythm. On a cellular level, PEMF boosts your cell's ability to produce and use energy known as ATP. Stronger, more energized cells lead to better health and faster recovery. PEMF has been FDA approved since the 1970s for clinical use in areas like bone healing and post-surgical recovery. It's supported by over 10,000 published studies and more than 2,000 clinical trials worldwide. Today, PEMF devices are increasingly used around the world in hospitals, clinics, and homes as a safe, natural form of energy support. While PEMF is FDA cleared for specific uses, these statements aren't evaluated by the FDA to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Only Life's PEMF devices are certified for quality and safety through international testing standards, ensuring each unit meets strict wellness technology benchmarks. Most people haven't heard of PEMF yet, but those who have, many use it daily and won't go without it. Athletes use it to speed up recovery. Biohackers turn to it for enhanced energy, sleep, and long-term performance. And everyday people rely on it when nothing else seems to work. People often turn to PEMF when they're dealing with things like chronic pain, low energy, slow healing, aging skin, or poor sleep that doesn't improve, no matter how healthy their habits. Some practitioners observe that PEMF supports energy flow along meridian points, similar to acupuncture, though research is ongoing. If that sounds familiar, PEMF might be the missing piece your body's been waiting for. Using PEMF is simple. Most sessions last just 10 to 30 minutes a day while you read, relax, or work. No major lifestyle changes. No pressure. Just consistent, natural energy support your body can actually use. Dr. Cindy Hodgson, a physical therapist and exercise physiologist with nearly 30 years of hands-on experience, shares this.
I've worked with the body at a deep level for decades, and what I've noticed with PEMF is something I can feel. When my patients use it before treatment, they relax more, and their bodies respond better. Personally, I've seen changes in my own energy and sleep without having any major issues to begin with. Even post-workout soreness clears up faster.
It's not just about treating problems. It's about supporting the body's natural energy in a way that feels tangible, subtle, but real. PEMF has also been explored in depth by researcher and educator Dr. Bryant Myers, author of PEMF, The Fifth Element of Health. In his book, he explains why pulsed electromagnetic fields are just as essential to well-being as air, water, food, and sunlight, helping the body recharge at the cellular level. His work has helped bring more awareness to the everyday benefits of PEMF for energy, sleep, and recovery. If you're looking for a smarter way to support your energy, recovery, and long-term health, PEMF might be the upgrade your body has been waiting for. Experience the benefits once limited to big medical devices, now in a compact, consumer-friendly form. Ask the person who shared this video how you could try it for yourself. PEMF Recharge from the inside out.
PEMF therapy is changing medicine at a quick, alarming rate. Pulse electromagnetic field therapy involves no drugs, no surgeries, no invasive injections. It is a natural mechanism which stimulates your body's own innate healing abilities. It is the closest thing to science fiction, with one exception. This is real. Pulse electromagnetic field therapy produces results, a lot of times in cases where we see nothing else helps.
What we're looking at here is an individual with chronic stress. It is a male. And this microscopic area was filmed. You'll also notice, and on the venular side, you'll see very few white blood cells on the edges. You'll look rolling around. So that means the immune system is also not well activated. You're going to see here, there's also diminished vasomotion. There's no movement you would see on the left side of that arterial. I haven't seen any. There's restricted blood flow. Like I said, the white blood cells aren't circulating, and this equals poor perfusion. Too much of this going on, you're going to feel tired. You're going to feel sluggishness. So I want to take a look at what happens after the beamer was turned on after 3 minutes of treatment, or for the non-practitioners and clinicians out there, 3 minutes after application. As this comes to your screen, you'll start to already see the increase in flow, the increase in movement. You can see the capillary open up. There's increased arterial flow. And what you can also see is increased venular flow returning back to the lungs to recycle, to bring out, and to remove those metabolic wastes that the body has created. You'll also see, after 6 minutes of stimulation here, the increase in the white blood cells. Pay special attention on the right side of the white blood cells rolling through the endothelial or over the endothelial walls. That's like cops being out on the street protecting you. That's your mobile immune system. And when your blood's moving, your immune system working. And if your blood is not functionally moving, you can't possibly have a functional immune system. Therefore, you're not protected. Think about it this way. If you're perfused, you're protected. Support yourself, support your immune system through healthy blood flow after 30 minutes. So now this person's been off the beamer for 22 minutes. And look at what we're looking at. This effect can last up through 18 hours and maybe more, and for some less rather.